how to fix Niagara not displaying in the sequencer. And I place sequencer. You can see in this project here have something wrong. And this Niagara is not displaying in the sequencer. And I will drag this one into here and I replay it again. And you can see it's nothing happened. If I select one of Niagara, and this one is showing now. That's really strange. If I select another one, you can see another one is showing. If I select all of them, there is all showing now. If I don't select anyone, it's nothing happen. So let's fix it. I will select one of them and find this Niagara system. And I will enter this one. And I will select fixed bond. I will change this value. Maybe I will change this value to 100,000. And I will copy this value to all of the fixed bond. Yes, with combat, and I will save all of them. And here you can see our Niagara system is showing in our sequencer. And I replay it again. Yeah, you can see the Niagara effect is showing now. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.